Hello, Liam.
Hello, Mia. How are you?
I am happy. It is night. The sky is dark.
Yes, the sky is dark. But look up, Mia.
Wow, the stars. I see so many stars.
Yes, the stars are very beautiful tonight.
I see big stars and I see small stars. They are so bright.
They are very bright. I like to look at the stars.
Me too. What is that, Liam?
This is my telescope.
A telescope? What is a telescope?
With a telescope, we can see the stars better. We can see them up close.
Wow, really? Can I look?
Of course. Come here. Look through here.
Okay, I am looking. Wow! Oh, wow! I see the moon.
Yes, that is the moon.
The moon is so big. It is so big and white.
It is very big. Do you like it?
I love it. It is beautiful. Thank you, Liam.
You are welcome, Mia. Now it is my turn.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, I am looking. I see the moon, and I see a small star next to the moon.
A small star? Can I see the small star?
Yes, here you go. Look again.
Okay. Oh, I see it. The star is very small, but it is very bright.
Yes, it is a small, bright star.
I like this little star. It is my favorite star.
I am happy you found a favorite star. Do you want to find another star?
Yes, please. Your turn, Liam.
Okay, I am looking for a new star. Aha, I see a red star.
A red star? Really? Is it big?
It is not big, it is small. A small red star. Do you want to see?
Yes, I want to see the red star.
Okay, look now. Be careful.
Wow! It is red! A real red star! This is amazing!
I think so too. The stars are amazing.
I am so happy. This is so much fun.
It is fun to look at the stars together.
Yes, it is. Thank you for showing me the moon and the stars, Liam.
You're welcome, Mia. I am glad you are here.